Hi, I'm Thelma. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree haul. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to do the makeup and health and beauty first. So this is called New Color. It's makeup sponges, and there's two light pink and two red heart-shaped for Valentine's Day makeup sponges. And they're pretty, they're soft and durable. They're not like hard or anything, so it'd be easy to apply your makeup with. And I'll do a test of all the different makeups that I've bought, and in a later video within the next 3-4 days, I'll do another video letting y'all know what I tried and the results that I have out of it. Okay. Now I also bought, and this is what I'm wearing. This is the color here. Now the color is, let me see the bottom here. The number, it's called Vine, is the color, and the number is CBLG149. And I just think that color is real, it's real soft, and it doesn't smear or cake on. It glides on real nice and smooth. And it lasts us for a couple hours. You don't have to reapply a lot unless you just wanted to. I picked up some more hot oil treatments. There's 2 in a pack. Some more, they're called Global Beauty Care. And it's called Collagen Spa Treatment Mask. I have one of this one. And it tells you it's anti-aging serum, soothing 15-minute facial therapy, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and helps to firm, tone, and revive skin electricity. And it looks like it's very easy to peel off when it's time to take it off. And let's see, I picked up 2 of the multivitamin spa treatment masks, 15-minute facial therapy for all skin types, and it's got 1 facial treatment. Again, I picked up 2 of them. And I also, from Global Beauty? Global Beauty Care. It's called Pink Sugar Lip Scrub. I'll test this too and let you all know my opinion on how it worked in another video. And then from Global Beauty Care, I picked up collagen cleansing cloths. There's 30 in a pack. And I've used these before, and I can already tell you, it really does feel and get your skin real clean, and it's soft after you use it. And this is in the health and beauty, but it's Valentine's Day. These are bath bombs in a light pink. but you can tell just by holding my palm up to it how big it is. And then there's the XO in a slightly, it's red, and this is the light pink. These are bath bombs. Look how big they are. And oh my goodness, they smell so good. Let's see. They have a different smell to them. I think the XO has coconut scent. I didn't see that right here. I didn't see that when I picked it up. And then the bath bomb, the heart, is lavender scent. And I only have a few more things for Bath and Body and beauty products. This is Jade Facial Roller from Sassy and Chic. What it's supposed to do, it is a 360 rotating ball. Relax, relieve, and tighten your skin. And I've never seen these there before. Let me open it up. I'm curious if I can get it open. Well, it won't come open. I'm going to have scissors, and I don't have scissors on me. I guess I'm going to have to start having a pair with me. Wait a minute. It looks like I might be able to get it open. Cross your fingers. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can see it better. And it just, what you do, you just use it like this, put a little pressure on it, and it's to, like I said, it's to relax, relieve, and tighten your skin's electricity back, like if you're an older person like I am. And I've never tried one of these, but I do know the ones that I've seen, they were supposed to be, work, so this is the same thing. And it's only $1, so you got to try it if you think you need it. And they have Crest toothpaste in cavity protection regular paste, 5.7 ounce. Now to the mouthwash. I have mouthwash. It's Refreshing Mint, and it is 24 full ounce. I picked up some. It's lavender Brillo Basic Dishwashing Liquid Soap. It's 5 times stronger, and it's a 24 full ounce bottle. And I picked up it's from Assured. It's a 7-day pill organizer, weekly medication organizer tray. Organization, I don't know what I'm thinking about. Okay, and this is the picture of it right here. And then a wall tap turns 2 grounded outlets into 6. You can't beat that for $1. Okay, now I'm in the floral and crafts section. I picked up one of these 4-pack because the last haul I did, I thought I got one of these, but apparently now they have one that's a little bit taller than this, but it's one long piece. And I went ahead and just cut it down the middle and used it on the project that I did in episode 4, and went back to the store and picked up these because this is what I need for some projects I'm getting ready to do. And I picked up 2 of the large white ones. They're 2.9 inch by 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch. And I use these all the time when I'm making flower arrangements. Now they have in the floral department light blue deco mesh and purple, and these will help out with Easter. And then I couldn't find any for Valentine's Day, the ribbon, and I've got a little bit, so I found some of the burlap in pink and tan. They are 9 foot long. And I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with my lighting in here with this camera. There, I think I got it. And then I picked up the burlap with the lace going in it, and then the jute cord, and it's in light pink. I picked up in the Crafter Square section, they're metallic markers, and one's silver and one's gold. And again, these are in the Crafter Square section. And then a chalk writer. And the last few items I have, this is a gemstone stickers. There's 315 count units, and it's light pink stickers. And this is the Crafter Square section. And I picked up, the last are these little, they're these little stickers. These are rub-on transfers, Crafter Square section, and this is foil, and it's in gold. And then I love this font on the lettering, and it's black. And these are new. I've never seen these here at my store. And these are rub-on transfers, paper crafts, and they're in black. And the last one are stickers, 370 count, Crafter Square, and they are red. Well, I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my channel. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. And share if you would do it. I'd greatly appreciate it. Share the video and leave a comment. And by subscribing, I would greatly like to add you to my YouTube family here on YouTube. And I hope y'all have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.